Welcome back to Kamal Kunj Home Academy, Encounter with Mathematics. In this session, we will discuss real numbers and their characteristics. Now, what are real numbers? Real numbers may be defined as numbers whose square is non-negative. Real numbers and their characteristics. What are real numbers? Numbers whose square is non-negative are called real numbers. Denoted by R, capital letter R. Real numbers, set of real numbers, set of real numbers include all natural numbers whole numbers rational and irrational numbers. Real numbers can also be defined as real numbers can also be defined as union of rational numbers and irrational numbers. that is R equal to Q union Q dash, union of rational numbers and irrational numbers. Now what are its characteristics? Closure property. For addition, sum of two real numbers is always real numbers. That is, if A and B belong to R, then A plus B also belongs to R. Product of two real numbers is always a real number. If A and B belongs to R, then A multiplied by B, product of A and B, also belongs to R. This is the closure property. Next is commutative law. Commutative laws for addition A and B belongs to are real numbers, then A plus B is equal to B plus A. And for multiplication, if A, B are, then A multiplied by B is equal to B multiplied by A. Commutative law for addition, commutative law for multiplication. Then associative laws. For addition, A, B and C are real numbers, then A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Associative law for addition. And for multiplication, if A, B, C are real numbers, then A multiplied by B over C equal to A multiplied by B multiplied by C. These are associative laws for addition and multiplication. Next is distributive law. Distributive law of multiplication over addition. Distributive law. If A, B and C are three real numbers belongs to R, then A multiplied by B plus C equal to A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C. This is distributive law of multiplication over addition. Next is identity element for addition. For addition, if A belongs to R, then A plus 0 is equal to 0 plus A equal to A. So here 0 is called identity element for addition. When 0 is added to any number, the result is same number. So this is the identity element for addition, and identity element for multiplication. Element for multiplication if A belongs to A any real number, then A multiplied by 1 is equal to divided by A equal to A, the same number. So 1 is called identity element for multiplication of real numbers. Next is additive inverse. If A is any real number, then A plus minus A is equal to 0. So A and minus A both are called additive inverse of each other. And multiplicative inverse, if A is any real number belongs to R, then A multiplied by 1 upon A is equal to 1. So A and 1 upon A both are called multiplicative inverse of each other. Now we will stop here and continue further in the next session. Till then, goodbye and thanks for watching.